Welcome to our channel. Now, let's see. Let's do it. It's a canvas. I got it from Morocco. So, let's open it. My dad will help me. Now we opened it. This is what it looks like. I want to show you some other things as well. I've got this Relax with Our Pocket Collection 48 creative and relaxing designs. It has this one, oh, it has a key, cool. We found this key, so yep. So I've got this and I'll show you this, and I got it from Sainsbury's. Next thing I got is this from Milko and paints. So this and yeah, load of paints. So we'll test that out soon. I got this little card, a card envelope, and we'll, yeah, bye. £1.50. Bye. Enjoy our YouTube channel, so like and subscribe. Put a like if you like it, or put a thumbs down if you don't like it. Bye.